Ding dong. Is it her? Oh, it's her. Let's go grab her. Hey, 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 hey. Wait for me, wait for me. Hey, yo. Wait up, you little rascal. Aren't you gonna help me? Oh, sorry. Let's turn this thing around and woohoo! Hello everyone, and today I will be unboxing a Boxy Girls. And look at all the other ones to collect. Let's cross her off the list. Whoa, she's so tall. Let's see. She is more prettier than I imagined. Her name is Nami. Let's unbox Nami. Let's go to a much more clear space. Put you guys in the background. Got my scissors and got this thing started. This thing says tear here. Awesome. Let's take her out of the box. This is Nami. Let's take her boxes out. And let's put the box aside. And clip her out. If you are young and you might get hurt with big scissors, please ask an adult to help you open a box. Ugh, this dang thing won't cut. There. Take Nani out of here. Wow, I'm so excited to be free. Thanks. You're welcome, you're welcome. It's what we can do. Okay, let's go back to the house. Get Nami over here. Her. And her little sister. Okay, let's unbox Nami's box. Yeah, I'm gonna open through the other side. Whoa, look at these other pair of shoes. This is so awesome. And look, there's even stickers at the end of the box. This is one of the sunglasses and a bow. Let's put those aside and open the next box. This one is a let's see what this thing is. It's a rubber box or a rubber band thing. Whoa, look at this hair clip. This is awesome. I like this doll. Let's see what stickers we got. got one of more shoes, please, and this thing. And this thing that says, enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XO Boxy girls. Awesome. Let's put those stickers over there. And wow, I love this home. Let's open this next box. Let's see what this is. Whoa, look at her purse. It looks like a safe. A little bit. It looks like a little bit. Like looks like a safe. Looks like a safe. Just a little bit. Don't want to be insulting. Got one more box. I'm excited. Wait, what stickers are in this box? Let's see. This one, and this one's a heart sticker. The other one wasn't a sticker. Okay, now it's time to open this last box. I wonder what it is. This is these are her earrings and a bracelet. Amazing. The earrings and a bracelet. Woohoo! Okay. Hey, take your shoes off. Oops, sorry. Let's take our shoes off. Wow, these shoes are hard. There. Let's put them at the door. With these things. With these high heels. Walking barefoot through a house. Oops. We'll worry about it later. It wasn't a big mess anyway. These over here. Wow. Wow. It's gonna be awesome. I know. Hi viewers. I'm Nami. Okay, let's get Nami dressed up. First, let's put her hair clip on. Put her hair clip on. Looks awesome. She looks cool. Okay, let's put her earrings and her bracelet on. Let's get her bracelet. Or is it an ankle bracelet? I don't know, I'm just going to use it as an ankle bracelet. Let me see the box. I think it's an ankle bracelet. Okay, let's put one earring on. Okay. Hey, get your stuff upstairs. Sure. I'm gonna love living here. Wee-hee. Yep, she's gonna love it. It's the best. Woo!